guys, it's JetLarkStormster here, and today we are doing an Overwatch Let's Play. Today, first I'm going to show you this cool skin I got for Reaper. Today I am going to be playing with Bastion. I don't think I've played as Bastion yet. I played as Hanzo, I played as Bastion, I played as Hanzo, I played as Reaper, I played as Hanzo, I played as McCray, I played as Junkrat. Wait, I don't think you guys see me play as Junkrat. I might do Junkrat, I don't know. That's all up to you guys. It's all up to you guys whether you want me to do more on this. I'm definitely still going to be doing more on Overwatch, of course, hush, hush. I'm probably going to be doing Paladins in the future. I don't know if you've seen that. I made that about, I don't know, a year ago. Oh yeah, and guys, if you were wondering when I'm going to make that year special video, I already did. It was on Fortnite. I've been doing a few, because I haven't done Fortnite yet. And if you haven't seen my first video on Overwatch, what are you doing? Go watch it. I did horribly though, so I don't know. I just died by Dave because she rocketed me. Oh yeah, guys, if you see this little hand, that's because I'm healing. Somebody just came in. 1 second. Yeah? Okay, I'm sorry. I just had to check. I just had to talk with my mom quickly. Huh? No. Okay. Where's that Pharah? Oh, I saw her. I haven't gotten a single kill so far. I eliminated him. That's good. We just killed each other at the same time. Oh, now we don't have a Pharah. Oh, I must be in the room to change house. No, I must not. Boy. Oh my god. I blended in perfectly. Can't even see you play. How am I supposed to dodge that with Bastion? We lost. Why? Oh, yeah, I'm not playing as Bastion. No. No. Oh, God, we don't have a tank. I'll be D.Va. Don't have any cool skins for her. I'm into You're a fraud. I'm the only D.Va. I guess not. No more! Oh god, I thought I just died. I'm probably going too soon. Most likely I'm going too soon. Hey, I'm still really good with D.Va, so you never know. Nope, but you do know because they have a Pharah on their team. Oh. Block that word. What was that? What did I just do? Nope. No, I want to try how to get up there somehow. Miss me. I know I'm not doing a good job as a tank. Sorry. Is anybody on the point? Is there anybody on the point? No? We're gonna lose so bad. Hey, I'm doing my best. No, we lost. That Reaper needs to stay on there. They need to stay on there as long as they can. Nope. Why did he get off the point? He got off the point. Our Reaper got off the point. That's just nice. The Daydreamer. Got play with the game. Does she know you can do spaces in this game? Oh, shoot. Well, I hope you've all enjoyed, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.